Follow the prompts on the screen. Pause the video between reading passages or questions. If you're following this video individually or as a group, be sure to pray before and after the Bible study. The end of the Bible study is a great time to discuss prayer requests. Read Mark 3, verses 1 through 6. Before moving into Mark 3, review how Mark 2 ended. Remember, early manuscripts did not have chapter and verse numbers. Oftentimes, it's beneficial to read chapters as continuous rather than broken to gain a better flow of thought from the author. What is your current understanding between the differences of the letter of the law and the spirit of the law? Verses 1 and 2. Who was watching Jesus and why were they watching him closely? Verse 4. How is this similar to Mark 2, 23 through 28? Verse 5. Why was Jesus angry at the response of the Pharisees? Verse 5. What does the phrase hardness of heart mean? Verse 6. The Pharisees and the Herodians were enemies, but why were they willing to ally with them to destroy Jesus? Verse 6. What is the common factor between the Herodians' hatred towards John the Baptist and the Pharisees towards Jesus? Was Jesus demonstrating the letter of the law or the spirit of the law? Do you think Jesus was intentionally healing people in the synagogue to demonstrate a specific point? If so, why? As members under the new covenant, what should our perspective towards the Sabbath be? Read Mark 3, verses 7 through 12. Verses 7 through 10. Why were so many people coming to see Jesus? Verse 11. Why did the unclean spirits fall down before Jesus, and who did they immediately recognize him as? Verse 12. Why did Jesus order the unclean spirits not to make him known? Read Mark 3, verses 13 through 20. Verse 13. What was the basis and order in which individuals became apostles? What is the biblical definition of what made someone an apostle, and how is it different to our modern definition of an apostle? Is there a relation between the number of apostles that Jesus chose to the same number of the tribes of Israel? Verse 21. Whose family went out to seize Jesus? Verse 21. Why were they looking to seize Jesus, and why didn't they believe in him? Read Mark 3, 22 through 30. Verse 22. What were the scribes accusing Jesus of being? Verses 23 through 26. How did Jesus refute their claim? Verse 27. Who is the strong man in this illustration, and what is his house? Jesus is performing miracles such as healing people of unclean spirits. How is this connected with Jesus saying, "Whoever blasphemes against the Holy Spirit never had forgiveness"? Read Mark 3, 31 through 35. Reference 3:21, verses 31 through 35. Even though his blood relatives were with him, how does Jesus define those who are his family? End your Bible study in prayer. If you're studying in a group, ask each other for prayer requests. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. Soli Deo Gloria, to the glory of God alone.